Hello and welcome to Daily Devotional. Today's reflection is titled Asking for Forgiveness. Story by Sam. When I was young, I would borrow money from my sister all the time. And I would usually pay it back. Years later, I was convicted about this, remembering that I had borrowed some and hadn't paid her back. Although 20 or more years had passed, I went to her and said I thought that I owed her some money and I thought it was $20. She quickly replied that it was $17. Although our relationship had never been broken, she remembered, and when I paid her back and asked forgiveness for my neglect, she was quick to forgive. My prayer for you this week. I pray that the Lord will have mercy on us, according to His unfailing love, according to His great compassion He will blot out our transgressions. Wash away all our iniquity and cleanse us from our sin. For we know our transgressions, and our sin is always before us. Amen. Psalm 51 verses 1-3. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and click the bell for more devotionals. Step through fear and love boldly today. Shattering walls of fear.